Recently, Congress heard from experts that artificial intelligence is so harmful and to do this harm to the humans and the frauds and the various crimes that could be perpetuated by it. But also, individuals have been telling me that his cat is smarter than humans. And we look into the animal kingdom, giving them a lot of remarks as intelligent and comparing them to humans, etc. But I want to show you here this picture with this bird and tell me if this is intelligent. We have some bread on the table here in the UK, and the bird is outside and trying to get it. And he can't realize that he can't get it, but keep pecking. An individual with minuscule intelligence would realize that this is a glass, and what is beyond it you can't get unless you go through the door, you break the glass. But this bird is trying to pick it through this window, and this is a problem.